President Donald Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship is facing a key court challenge in New Hampshire on Thursday. This is the first major hearing since the Supreme Court limited how lower courts can block such policies. The case is before U.S. District Judge Joseph Lamford in Concord. Immigration lawyers are asking him to approve a class action lawsuit that would protect all children, born or unborn, from being affected by the order. Trump's order, signed on 20th January, says the U.S. government will no longer give citizenship to babies born on American soil if their parents are in the country illegally or only temporarily. Critics say this goes against the 14th Amendment, which has granted birthright citizenship for over 100 years. Judge LaPlante blocked the policy, but only for a few nonprofit group members. Now lawyers want a broader block. If he agrees to certify the class, the judge could stop the order nationwide. The Supreme Court recently ruled that lower courts can't issue nationwide bans easily, but left the door open for class action lawsuits to achieve similar results. Immigration lawyers quickly went back to court after that decision. Cody Wasfie from the ACLU, one of the lawyers leading the case, said, "Every court has said the order is unconstitutional. We expect to win again. The big question is how to make sure all children are protected." The proposal includes people like Barbara, a Honduran asylum seeker in New Hampshire expecting a baby, and Mark, a Brazilian man whose wife in the U.S. unlawfully gave birth in March. Lawyers argue that if the order is allowed, their children could face big problems, including not having a country, not being able to vote, get federal jobs, or even risk deportation. The Supreme Court said the government can't enforce the policy until 30 days after its June 27 decision, but it can prepare how to carry it out. Other courts across the U.S. are now rethinking earlier decisions blocking the order. More legal battles are expected in the coming weeks, but Thursday's hearing is seen as an important first step in deciding whether Trump's order can go into effect or be stopped for good.